Hello viewers, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can format your hard disk drive, your external drive, your pen drive or USB drive using a very powerful tool in Microsoft Windows. Now, in several occasions, sometimes your drive will fail to format the normal way. Now, the normal way of formatting either your pen drive or your SD card is inserting the drive in your machine and then right clicking on it like this, and then you go to format and you click on start. You get a warning that it will erase all data on the disk. Now sometimes this process may fail and it will not work because your drive is containing virus. There's a powerful tool in Microsoft Windows which is known as CMD. So we are going to use that command prompt. So you head towards to start and you type in CMD. You press enter. Now when you press enter, a window will pop up. Now a command will pop up. Now in this command, you type in disk path, and you press enter. It will require your permission, so you just have to click yes. Okay, another command will also pop up with the disk path you type. That is this. Now let me show you the commands you are going to use for easy understanding. So this is what we type for the first type, this part. Then we came here. All right, so now after you have the this part showing, what you have to do next is to show all your drive, all your drive connected to your machine. So you type in list space disk. You type in list disk. You press enter. That's the second command over here. List disk. All right, so after you type in the list disk, all the connected drive to your machine will show up here. In this case, you can see in my case I have disk 0, disk 1. If you have more, you see disk 2, disk 3, disk 4 listed up here. Now this disk 1 is the one that I want to format. Yes, it's this one that I want to format. So I just have to type in select disk 1. Make sure you type in the correct disk that you want to format. All right, so after selecting disk 1, let me show you the command. Select disk 1. So select disk number. That is in your case. If it's disk 2, we type in disk 2. Now for you to confirm that it is disk 1 that you have selected, you type in again list disk. Now when the disk is selected, you see the asterisk mark attached to the selected disks. So I selected disk 1, so it is showing over here. Good, let's continue. So the next command that you are going to do is to clean the drive. So this is a command. You have to clean it. So you go to the command prompt and you type in clean and then you press enter. Now it will tell you this part successfully in cleaning the disk. All right, so now your disk 1 is clean. Now after you clean the disk, you are supposed to create a partition for your disk so that it can be formatted. So let me show you the command. This is the command, the next command. I hope you are following. So you have to create a partition, a primary partition. So you just type in create partition primary and you press enter. Good. So this part succeeded in creating the specified partition. Now after creating your partition, the next thing you have to do is to format the drive. Okay, so the next command is format space fs equal to ntfs. Now what is this fs? The fs here is the file system. Okay, now in Windows the file system is normally ntfs. Most times it's ntfs. So format fs equal to ntfs. Now there are two ways of formatting the drive. You can format it quick or you can go through the slow process With a slow process, you just type in format fs equal to ntfs and you press enter and it will start reading, but it is going to take a lot of time. So for you to be very quick, after typing in this, you press your space bar and then you type in quick and then you press enter. Now this is going to make it very fast, so let's wait for it. Wow. Okay, so now you can see that 100% completed. The expert successfully formatted the volume. Okay, now we are done. So the next thing that we are going to do is to make our drive active. So to make it active, just type in the command active and you press enter to tell you this part mark the current partition as active. You can see whenever you connected any media, any drive to your machine, it has a letter. So let's try and assign a letter to our drive. So let's type in assign letter, then equal to any letter at all you want. In my case, I'll take K. So I'll type in K, you press enter. So you can see it has actually opened the drive key that we formatted and it has erased everything. So this part successfully assigned the letter, the drive letter or mount point. Okay, so from here we are done, and the next thing that for you to do is to exit from this place. So you type in exit and you are done. So if you want the command, these are the commands that you go through, you can use actually for the formatting to remove any virus. Now let's go and see our drive if it is actually formatted. So let's close this window. Now this is our drive K. You can see it is actually empty and free. Now thank you for watching this tutorial and I'll meet you in the next video. Kindly share and subscribe.